Hakanok Paisngi Kumah Kapor Saubaje Sausteng Janmet Kat Sautrik Yoyong Arajal Arpunriu Kibor Dr. Hakajing Senran Ki Magister Kilawan Banjurep Biang Yakakot Kakia Uba H. Ban Seudor Nonglang Chairman Ka Green Tech Foundation Ubalashong Yaki Dakabasha Tangan Hamadan Malki Lapalat Chispa Saupusau Kenta Nakijing test lasyam bo chairman ke Green Tech ulah telat bha bat ki doktor kila ai jing mut banra noi u syaki jaka sumar henrei ulah kentai laong bakaladon ke jing temu banra ya u na ketika jaka da kabor henrei na ke jing don lang ki dekat ke foundation haringkat ki bawan kersan kumta kam syam ladon syu ke jing persang kumban syukro bo ba H ban seudor nonglang ulah syam ya kesin jam ban syak tangan nadu ke kendai terip yoyong arajar arpun riu ban pen bor ya ke sarkar jela ban weng no ya ke jing ai wai lang ya ke dolan nong lumpong deng ban sna ya ke Taj Omyam Resort and Spa.
Humble than request at least medication to be offered to doctor. Why don't you take if you don't just the medicine? It does not compromise anything that you are doing.
On my request to you, sir, please send this message to government. Give us in written that they will scrap the project from then I will go at home. Right now, right here.
Why don't you have the medicines at least? We're not forcing you to read, we're not forcing you to know. There are some medicines which will. You have protested peacefully for days. That's why from us also, Niklam dan bawan, Niklam dan berbentuk DP. Niklam crunch pang kata. No, masuk crunch pang find a way to at least. We cannot have him.
Kalau abang bagi dalam peaceful kan kita government kamsem kia su sendan. Kem piwan the government te. Understand this message no to the government. Yang ni kat ni.
I will not. It's not that I will not send your message to the government, to my immediate superiors. I will ensure that.
Minister, the deputy chief minister, kat ni condition. Kita nak pasal bandong kekentin chicken agatin.
Indeed, you've come here for his life, for his safety. I understand that, but who's going to take liability of that if it's not the government? So we just ask you and urge you. You've come here from the district administration. We respect that, but kindly carry forward that message from our end also that we're not going to back down unless and until the government at least come to a solution. We're not here also to strictly oppose. Come to a solution. We're looking for constructive solutions here.
The only solution is seek to our demands. That's it. We'll call it off.
Just call upon your presence. Just that. Nothing else. We're not asking for the entire 66 acres to be scrapped off. 36 acres of the island, that's it. Nothing from there and from the government's end also. Make an attempt.
If they are serious enough, if they're serious about his life, serious about the subject matter, then
We will now wait for the
we will take.
doctor.
Kita kasih ke Bandrio jong kacing sya cikit kan bupor ke jong chairman jong Green Tech Foundation. Mentan janmit kilawan biang sesisil nakaliang jong ka DMHO ban pet ni biang ya ka jinglong jingman ke jong chairman jong ibran pada kacing sya cikit. Kumbal patai dalam step mentan janmit kilaong banra no biang sepo hospital nomor bikla don kam patai ke treatment. Te kat ba kidang don ki doktor hang ni nakaliang ke district administration ru kilapha menawan represent Henry ke basngusi pat kalong ba nadu kasngi ke benengkom hi bengira ikane kamat bandawa kat kum ka hok ke jongi hakmat ke khodop jaga sekretariat kilara ingi takabor ban pensap car ingi nomor bengi dawa ya ke bedai ka hok kenong keti ke jong pat ba bat menta kasngi ru hingga ke district administration habakawan kamsum lawan ban ai kata ka kubor bangin ya keren lani bangin ya don kata ka jingya suthu hapdeng kuno ban ya penbet ya kani kam bat kim don kata ka kenja assurance ma lani kata ka jing ai ktin ka baki ong ba kinweng no sindon ni ka project no lumpong deng Henry kiwan pat ban penbor badai ban ra bet dakabor yu chairman jongi nangni na jakathia jaka sumar nakaliang ke jongi chairman ni jongi iyeng scam makanong rim bajia kat bajia long kat balong nakani ka jaka inumki tat on daga sarkar jela Meghalaya kan mi sakmat bat kata ka kentin bat ong bakin weng no si sendan ni ka project nang tein ulum pongdeng te kendiat kalong ba kai ka ba ngabakam itu itau ya ka rukom peniat jong ka sarkar ru habal adon kum ka jingyaki ka agitation la ni ka peaceful demonstration na kalian ka district administration na yung syakla di panwan mi sakman adu ka singi ka benengkong henday adu ka singi ka benengkong tat haduk menta ka singi ka bandreo kisawan mi gidang kami lenti yok lese kiwan kumtaban pentip yang iba ka sarkar jela kelas ngap ya ki jing dawa ki jong pi bat namar ba kilas ngop khia ya ka pat ka khia ka jong pi takadaw ki laweng no isendan ka project no te ulung pong deng henday kiwan pada kabor ban ong ba em ya pingim sya song su ang ning rat ne pi hospital namar ba pimlong kani ka de ke ngatrai ka buj kaban pensengap jar biang sesisin ya kani ka sur ka jongi ka bangi dei ban yang hok halor ka nong rempas camp on arsin men step ban mentan janmit ru tiki ong ban ra no ni nomor ba kimlong ban le hang ni nomor kapun ka tak infection ndrei chairman jongi ru menne hapor biginang ban ila kren ka sur ka pasaya ki ba inum ki nang ni ong ta ong swai ka sarkar jela meklea bakni ban weng no isendan ni project onda kilaweng ngin net phai da ka basuk si kisam ki jong kam nang tlot ka jingi obor ka jongi but ki hajing sha ki bp ki sini ke ru ki la company dak hi bakadan ka jing tlot te ni susania bintah oblai amar kani ka sarkar ka bamenti hajing sha ki la ade bandan kata ka jing solam namar ba chairman ni jongi lano kata ka jingi obor ka jongi ka nang yat ke sini por ti kadek ke bang atrai tang ka jing duai hi ka pala pan kersan ni ka kadek pa
Wal ka duduk mentaga sarkar pat aikin ni.
haduk mentaro ko ma ong menne ka pan aitin ka sarkar gidang kami nanti baka jingwan ka jong magistrate menne gidang mut bawan pan aitin ban ong ba ka sarkar jela kelas ngap ya pi kalai ka jing yele ka jong ni ban ka khot bangin ya keren hendrei kiwan hang ni ki ong ba ya pila di pan rat ni ban kampan ai kata ka jing semua ko hospital ni tiba ki trik ki jong kan ka sarkar mata ki persang ban wat jing tip sha kalong kumnu kata ka movement ndrei kilas kumbang i ban ka skin kong kilas dang ban petlot ya kan ka movement jong i ndrei kemla hadin nang tu kilas dang ban wo dong pat personally saya chairman jong i katar kemla munta ki pat ba kilas sai ki lalong husiar ki latip sai kan ka issue ka pangira pat ka jing kata ka jong kan te ngatrai na kaliang ka sarkar jelaru kadehi ka jing le menteri ka jong kihi kadehi ka ba dan bapeniat cabi tu nanu ra ya kata ka baongan do sini kong ti kilas dang imat ban sir kilas dang imat ban smith balik se kini kena plan kende kita ki kena ki baki iki ong ma ki kena ki ba kumni kumtai hendeng ide kita ki samlarang ba ki bayang halor kenong rem ngidon la ka hok ngidon ki saki satar ki pas kem ti imat de kata ka kilas dang ban smith ya ki bat takadaw kabla penlong yung magistrate ru pun wan mi menta ka singi ka bahan riu jong kani ka jing sha jing et kram bupor
Habatin pej bahaki kishap kashap plus f
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus f hakajing som yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus f menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.